We're in Thailand and it's all about the food. Oh my word. Incredible. So excited because we found Nam Tohu here in Bangkok. It's the hot soy milk. And here it's 10 baht, 10 baht, and you can get different things added to it. Oh, how lovely. So she's actually making up a mixture of all of the 5 components. Here, and let's just see. It's okay, guys. Thank you. So that's so cool. So here's my Nam Tohu with the extra bits, the bubbly bits. It's just across like the way into the area we live. I'm not very good at describing it, Lee. How do we describe it?
Soy buttery opposite Khao San Road.
Yeah. So we've got this, and now we're going to go and find some jackfruit, and then we're going to go back to our lovely lady and have some other like delicious food for breakfast. Great way to start the day in Bangkok. Local breakfast: bacon, eggs on toast, 100. Muesli, milk yogurt, 100. Okay, pancakes, 120. Egg skillets, 120. Rice soup, 100. How wonderful. Bringing joy every day. So here, if you want, you can go to the Nescafe Street Cafe and pay your 75 baht for a cocoa passion. Or you can get Nam Tohu with bubbles and our delicious jackfruit for 30 baht. And they smell amazing. So cool. Just arrived back at the guest house and just parked outside. Look at this. This is like a mobile fruit and veg store. So many ingredients for Thai food. Pumpkin, different types of greens. So many more types of greens and things up here. So it's absolutely wonderful. And mushrooms, with tomatoes, and corn, more greens. It's so cool. All on this like motorbike with a trailer attached to the front, actually. Green mangoes. Okay, and there's even fish in this section here. This is absolutely brilliant. Wow, I think maybe that's why there are so few supermarkets around, because Thais still really love shopping this way. And when he's finished in that area, he just drives away. So I've brought Lee back to the noodle place that we came to yesterday. Lee's going to have a large pork noodle soup. She called it pisset. Pisset, I'm not too sure what that means. And I'm going to have this small fish soup. We're trying it because in the past, like in Chiang Mai, a couple of times we ordered the large, and when they came, they were small, like smaller than what other people had. So this time we're going for one yai and one lek, and we'll see what happens. And hopefully it's as delicious as it was yesterday. The pork one, that is. So as you can see, look, we have our soups, and there is quite a bit of difference. I'm really pleased. This is Lee's yai, the pork soup.
The large one?
Yep. And this is the small fish one. And yep, definitely a difference in the size of the bowls and the
quantity of the contents. Definitely, yeah. You're going to give them a try, Mandy?
Yeah, okay. See what they're like. I made the mistake yesterday of adding too much chilli to the pork. I won't do that. I'll advise Lee not to do that today. The broth is delicious. Now the fish looks a lot more simple, a lot plainer. I think that one will definitely benefit from adding a few of the different things.
Magic ingredients.
The vinegar, chilies and vinegar, and there's peanuts here. I'm going to add some of them. Peanuts will make it lovely. Yeah, but excellent value, brilliant. So how's your soup, Lee?
Delicious, actually. The flavour of the pork one is very, very good.
Wow.
Good choice.
So 55 for a large soup, 45 for a small, 100 baht for the two of us. Good value?
I'm enjoying it, quite obviously, aren't I?
So today I'm going for Cheyenne. No sugar. No, that's right. But I'm still going for condensed milk because it's delicious. And there's evaporated milk. And we're going for the bag again because A, it's less expensive, and also you get so much more ice and it's just so much more drink. And I brought my own straws from yesterday. Up there.
Means tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Hogan Mai. She's so lovely. I love coming here. So Som Tam. The Som Tam ladies down here. So basically they're saying this is a dead-end alley because everyone walks down this way. Oh wow, and there's all these other things here. But no, today we're gonna go for Som Tam. Hit day. Chai.
Oh, a few chilies going in.
Yes, got a few chilies. So here are all the magic ingredients.
Oh, it's done.
Wow. Here we go. I love chopped mud. Nice sharp knife to cut the beans in. Tomatoes. I thought I was getting sick of Som Tam, but no. No. I don't think I ever could. Love it.
นี่เหรอเขาบอกว่าพรุ่งนี้จะมาเขาก็มาจริงนะเมื่อวานนี้เขาบอกว่าพรุ่งนี้จะมาใช่ไหมเราก็จำไม่ได้หรอกมันก็เพิ่งจะนึกได้ว่า
Well, there's a fish sauce going in, and I think that's palm sugar.
ไม่อร่อยนะคะ
See, yep, the little tiny shrimps or prawns. Tiny shrimps. And the peanuts. Oh, or what makes it like one of my favourite Thai dishes. And there's your handful of green papaya.
ใส่โฟมหรือใส่ถุงคะ
In Pasar Angkit, plastic bag.
อ๋อพลาสติก
So it's sai tum.
ค่ะ
So Khop Ka. I've learnt a new Thai word.
Saitum plastic bag.
Yes.
Number one.
Much better than the bowls, polystyrene bowls. So it's 40 baht for the delicious Som Tam, and it's 5 baht for Khao Niao. Oh, so excited.
คือเป็นงั้นเหรอใส่ที่นั่น
No, me.
อ๋อมีอ๋อใส่ถุง
Yes.
ค่ะ
Okay.
50 บาทค่ะ ขอบคุณนะคะ
Khop Ka.
Thank you so much.
Excellent.
And that is how you make Som Tam.
Yay, and have a lovely... Okay, yes, see you tomorrow. Prung ni pop kan mai. Okay. Khop Ka. How wonderful. So much better than just going to one of those
Yeah, always
trendy
go
restaurants.
down like, you know, a dingy alley or an alley that leads to nowhere. They're where the best places are to buy
Yeah,
things.
well and truly.
Yeah.
And back this way now to Khao San Road. So here, iced coffee, 60. And Lee, how much is our iced coffee?
15 baht. It's massive. Struggle to drink it all.
Like again, Bang Lampu, been coming here for so many years, and I don't know how many times I've walked down this side. I can't remember seeing the fort, so I'm guessing maybe once, 15 years ago, who knows. But look at that, so impressive. Our destination. So down here at the river, Papaya.
Lovely spot. Nice and peaceful. Got our Som Tam, Khao Niao. And ice drinks.
And what's the Som Tam like? We asked for it.
Really good.
Kind of spicy.
Yeah, it's got a lot of flavour. Let's just say that.
Fantastic. Guy behind's doing something with some sort of
Water
engine-y
pump.
thing. Oh, water pump. Okay. So we won't really be able to talk much, but it's a nice chance to just like enjoy the breeze and the beautiful tree and this delicious.
Serenity of Bangkok. Who would have thought Bang Lampu could be this peaceful?
We're back at our favourite place, and Lee's gone for chicken with cashew tonight. Something slightly different. 60 baht with the rice, and I've got Gankia one, a green curry with chicken and with rice, also 60 baht. How is it?
It's really good. It's nice. It's a bit sweet. But,
Okay.
you know, I like that kind of thing sometimes.
Wonderful.
With that.
I'm just going to try the Gankia one. Oh, look at it.
Green curry.
Yep, green curry. Delicious. One of my favourite things in Thailand. And it is She asked if I wanted it spicy. It's not spicy. But anyway, here's some of the bitter eggplanty things. Yeah, no chili. I might add some. It seems weird, but yeah. But it's still really tasty. For 60 baht, that's really cool. There wasn't quite enough fish.
As with most meals in Thailand, we tend to end up getting 3 portions because 2 isn't quite enough. Probably is, but we just enjoy it that much that we have to try some more. So we've got the Massaman Curry. Oh wow, they're really good here, I think. This is an incredible place. They've got just nailed the flavour spot on. It's kind of sweet yet I don't know, really flavoursome. A lot of stuff going on. I want you to try because you'd be more descriptive than me.
The thing is, Massaman, I think it's more like a Malay curry, and it has one of the few curries in Thailand with potatoes. Yep, white potatoes.
Excellent.
And it's got peanuts. That's how it's different to a yellow curry.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I just smell clove.
Get that flavour.
Wow, that's really nice. Tiny bit too sweet, but delicious. Massaman isn't one of my like go-to. That tends to be Gangkyo-wan, you know, green curry or Penang curry, but it's nice. Way better than a yellow curry.
Yeah,
definitely,
I'll give it a 8 out of 10, maybe an 8.5.
Really, and for 60 baht, good value with the rice.
Brilliant.
Excellent. So I just smelled the delicious aroma of namking, and I checked with the lady, but she said it's not ready yet. And look at this, it's a huge amount of delicious freshly cut ginger. I thought it was ginger powder, but no. Oh my word. She said soup fish. Thank you, kitty. Oh, so handsome.
Back with our favourite lady on Pratit Road for breakfast. Now, all the locals come here, the local workers and stuff. She opens at 5 AM and it's busy. She's sold out by about 9 o'clock normally. So we got up especially early to come down to get a 40 baht meal. This is fantastic. Got Gai chicken, rice and Larb.
And I also went for Larb, and I've got a different type of chicken, a red curry. So, and also of course your free water, free ice water.
Really flavoursome. She really knows how to do it, and you can tell by the amount of people here. This is the perfect breakfast.
I'm so pleased we finally managed to make it back to her, because yeah, we came yesterday at 9 and she's packing up, it's all gone. Because her food is so lovely and she's just so friendly and kind and nice, and yeah, absolutely wonderful.
It's like a home from home here. It really is good. Oh, and it's just amazing. Like, it's worth coming to Bangkok just for this. It really is.
Oh my word. And the Larb. I love Larb. So amazing. The flavour, the mint. Incredible. So it's our last night here in Thailand, and we've decided to buy some desserts. We've got Kluai Buat Chi, which is the banana in coconut milk. And it's 25 baht. I mean, there are so many different things to choose from. So it's actually quite hard for us to like make a decision. Look at them, these are all 25. This one here is 30. I think that's pandan with something else. And then you've got like your mango sticky rice for 50 and whatever this one here is. But the second option we decided to go for was this one. So it's like sesame seeds with something or other, I'm not too sure what. So it's our last night in Bangkok, and we'll come back to our pork noodle soup place because it was so delicious yesterday, and we've got a veritable feast. Lee's tucking into number 2, which is large
red pork
with
it's really good
egg noodles.
Awesome.
And I've gone for number 3 again, so that's the pork with rice noodles. And we've also gone for this one, number 6, which is a pork with rice and half an egg, and it comes with this delicious sauce.
Beautiful sauce.
Yeah, it's really nice on that.
It's kind of sweet and sour, I think, you know, but with something else there as well. Yeah, it's really unlike anything I've tried before in Thailand. It's something I really do like.
Excellent.
I'll have to find out the Thai name for it.
Yeah, and it's only 50, that one there, and it also comes with a soup as well. So that one's like amazing value. This is our last day in Bangkok. We're flying out tonight. We couldn't resist it for breakfast. We've come back to a wonderful duck noodle lady because, oh my word, so delicious, so tasty. So it's a J and duck noodles. So your last breakfast in Thailand for a while?
I had duck noodle soup for breakfast, and honestly, I think this is the best place I've found in the area to eat. It's not only is the food delicious, but the scenery, the views, the atmosphere is just perfect.
That's so lovely.
It's a shame it's not open in the evenings as well, otherwise we'll be coming for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
New Zealand. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Next time we come back.
Last day in Thailand, and we had to come back here for lunch. We love this little alleyway, like cafe, restaurant type place. And oh my word, look at the amazing food we've got. We've gone for Gangkyo-1 again, so the green curry. So that's 60 with chicken, and rice is 10. And Lee's gone for one of his favourites, Kha Gai. It's also 60, plus 10 for rice. So for 140 baht, plus we're going to do like a vegetable feast, and a soft drink is 20. We've gone for red Fanta because it's like 34 degrees. We need something nice and sweet, you know what I mean? So 160 baht for a delicious meal.
Do you want to try it, Mandy?
Okay,
Quick taste of the
look
Kha Gai.
Look at this. If you're craving vegetables,
Yeah.
oh my word, there's cabbage and
You're not going to be
things.
disappointed with that.
No.
And the taste.
It's lovely. It's quite mild. Kha Gai is quite mild. And now,
Green curry.
Gangkyo-1.
Yeah.
Wow, so much flavour. A little bit salty, but delicious. But you can really taste that Thai royal basil. Incredible. I love this place. I love these meals. Khop khun kha. One knee by New Zealand. So khop kan mai. Yeah.
Next time.
So this is the end of our Bangkok stay, our Thailand stay.
Yeah, it's been quite an experience. We've enjoyed it all the way, and it's been made even better staying at the rooftop to guest house, right?
Yeah. It's the roof garden guest house.
This is the
Even
one.
though the
Yeah.
roof garden has been closed for a few
And
years.
there's a bit of construction going on there, but
Yeah.
that hasn't spoiled it.
No, it's so cool. We've really enjoyed our time here. And man, we've eaten some good food. So
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy the Thailand videos.
Yeah, all the food videos are there to watch if you haven't seen them already. Our next destination is New Zealand. We're heading off now on a 38-hour journey, I think it is. So much fun.
So much fun. So see you in the next one. Bye for
Bye.
now. Bye.